Hi guys, a very quick hack. If you don't want your cupcake to burn, here is what you do. Pack a little rice, put in every hole that houses the cupcake paper. Okay, just put through the 12 holes or as many as you want to use. Put your cupcake paper, put your cake batter. This is fruit cake actually, not like they use fruit cake for cupcake, but then any batter you have can do. So after adding your butter, you bake. However, it's not because they said this hack will not let your cake burn, you will not leave the cake for 2 hours. You know what you meet if you leave your cake for 2 hours. So as much as you will, it's not gonna let your cake burn. You also have to work with time. Don't forget to give us that thumbs up if we deserve it. Cheers, bye. Have a blessed weekend.